Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your device or your TV isn't a part of the Netflix household issue. Let's get started. So if you're on your TV or your device, you can go ahead and simply open up your Netflix, log into your account and then tap on Get Help and then choose to sign out. This clears the wrong household link. After that, you can go ahead and simply power off your TV completely. Unplug it for 30 seconds and then plug it back and then turn it on. This forces a fresh network reset. So if you're on your device, completely power off your phone, tablet or streaming stick. Wait for a few seconds then turn it back on. This forces a fresh network check. After that, you want to go ahead and simply check for your Wi-Fi connection. Go into your device Wi-Fi settings and then reconnect to the same home network that your Netflix household uses. And then, once you have done that, you need to go ahead and simply open up your settings application. Inside here, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and then search for Netflix. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap onto it, tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app again. This helps free up your storage and clear up the caches. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and simply open up your Netflix again and then sign in with your account and confirm the code or household check if it pops up. And that's it. Your Netflix should now recognize your device as a part of household. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.